here. So more temperature is seen in the torrid zone. So that's why the places which are present in the torrid zone, they are having the more light and more heat. So heat is more. Next, come to the temperate zone. So temperate zone, it is present in between the Tropic of Cancer, and next one is Arctic Circle. Okay, so Arctic Circle is also there. So in between this one, we can see the temperate zone. But temperate zones are having the less temperature when compared to torrid zones. But they are also having the temperatures. But it was when compared to the frigid zone. So temperate zone, frigid zone, and torrid zone. So three regions are there. So when compared to this frigid zone, temperate zone is to some extent heat is there. Okay, there will be some heat. Torrid zone is having the highest temperature. Okay, and next one is okay. Next we'll see this. Okay, see here. Next, yes. So he see here. This is the longitudes. So here we can see these longitudes. So longitudes are present here. So this is longitudes. Here also we can see this. So from here we can see these lines. Okay. So from here, from this place to this place. So from here, from this place to the downside. So it is called as the North Pole, and this is called the South Pole. Latitudes are doesn't have any longest longitude, but whereas only these latitudes are having the highest longitude, that is equator. But in between this one latitudes, the important one is the Greenwich, that is 0 degrees. So 0 degrees, so Greenwich. So Greenwich is there. So Greenwich is very important one. So based on this one, the time zones are calculated. Okay. So what is the uses of these longitudes? Means, so longitudes are mainly used for knowing the time and also location. So both can be seen here, time and location. Okay. And next, suppose, okay, just we'll see this. Yes. So come to this. So many people are waiting, voting participants. Okay. Okay, just see here. So here we can see this. These are the longitudes. Longitudes are mainly useful for knowing of time and also the location. Next one. Okay, next we'll see these longitudes. See here, both are given here. So here we can see that both means nothing but, so here these are the latitudes, these are the latitudes like this. So when compared to this one and this one, so if you see here the distance, so if you see the distance from this latitude to this latitude, so this latitude is very far away, so the distance is very high. Next, from here to here also we can see that very high, and here if you see this the distance is very low. Okay, so when compared to this one, so the longitudes, the latitudes are having the distance, that means the highest latitudes is there, lowest latitudes also is there. So the highest latitude is equator. Next, so lowest, okay. So here we can see, and one more thing is here prime meridians. So longitudes also called as, longitudes is also called as prime meridians. Okay, prime meridians. So prime meridians mean is nothing but, sometimes we are calling this as PM and AM time. So mainly this longitudes. So longitudes are helpful for knowing of this time. Okay. So time can be known by using of these longitudes. So that's why these longitudes are called as the meridians. Okay, meridians. They are called as meridians. Next one, here we can see a network of these latitudes and longitudes. So here we can see